The first step to disassembling your Murphy bed is to open the bed face. With a friend, pull the mattress out and hold the bed face down. Notice how the bed springs upwards when not being held. Return the bed to its original position and prepare the following tools. You'll also need a stool to reach the top. Start by removing the screws from the crown molding. There should be one on each side. Hand the crown molding to your friend and place it to the side. Next, remove the screws that fasten your Murphy bed to the wall. Make sure all tools, parts, and screws are removed from the top of the Murphy bed before you set it down. Place one hand on the bed face and the other hand on the side. This will make sure the Murphy bed stays shut as you lay it down. Now start with the stringer board at the bottom of the bed. Locate the cam housings on the board. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen each of them. This will allow you to remove the board from the rest of the bed. Next, follow the same steps for the headboard. Make sure to leave at least one hand underneath to prevent the board from falling once released. Slide it out and set it to the side. Take your drill and replace the Phillips drill bit with the square drill bit. From here, we'll start work on the header. With your drill, remove the 4 screws that help hold it in place. Do not remove the pre-drilled screws from the top and bottom of the header. Return to the header with your Phillips screwdriver and unfasten the 6 cam housings. If the sides are resting on the bed face, gently lift them off and place them next to the bed. Removing the pistons seems tricky, but it's rather simple to do once explained. You may need your friend to raise or lower the bed for the piston to be removed. Gently wiggle the piston to get an idea of how tight or loose it feels. Use your flathead screwdriver to slip under a notch in the piston's head. Pull the tab out from the piston to release the piston from the ball on the sideboard. Let's see that again. Do this to all 4 piston connections. Next, remove the E-clip ring. Let's remove the feet for easier storage. To do this, you need a 3/16 inch Allen wrench and a 1/2 inch wrench. Stick the Allen wrench in the hole on the outward facing side. Place the wrench on the nut on the inward facing side. Turn counterclockwise to loosen the legs. Once you've done that, you've fully disassembled your Murphy bed.